Hey, what's up? It's Wick for Xiaomify, and today we're looking at the ADO DECE300, one of ADO's latest electric bikes. Is it any good? Well, let's find out. Let's go. So here it is, the ADO DECE300, one of the latest electric bikes from ADO. I've been taking it out for some rides for quite a while now, so let's see how it does. First of all, ADO has just rebranded the D30, which I've received, to now be named the ADO DECE300. So to avoid any confusion, the D30, which is my bike, is actually now called the DECE300, and it is exactly the same bike, but just rebranded. So that's that. Out of the box, you will have to mount the wheels, the pedals, and the steering wheel, but that's all taking up just a few minutes. It's not very difficult, so let's skip that and look at the tech specs before taking it on some rides. The DECE300 has an aluminum alloy frame, which has a very nice feeling coating, which apparently uses a 4x painting putty process. It comes in at 1800 by 640 by 1100 millimeters, weighs in at around 22 kilograms. It's got 27.5-inch tires, which are about 2-inch thick. The DECE300 has a brushless gear DC motor that's got 500 watts max power that makes it go up to 25 kilometers an hour when using the driving assist. The 10.4 amp hours 36 volts battery has a range of about 75 to 90 kilometers depending on the terrain type, your weight, and wind conditions, but I noticed I typically get between 70 and 80 kilometers on a single charge, which is pretty good. The battery can actually be taken out if you need to charge it at home, and this is locked with a key, so people cannot just take it off. It comes with a dedicated 42 volts charger. It's got the hydraulic dual disc brakes on front and rear wheels, and the brakes are actually really strong. They're that strong that I wouldn't even recommend going full in on the brakes when you're going full speed. They're really that strong. It's also got a wire-controlled front fork shock absorption, which you can actually enable or disable from the steering wheel. I have it enabled all the time, but well, you could disable it if you want. It's got Shimano 11-speed gears, which you can control from the right side of the steering handle, and I noticed I've been switching gears a lot. I like to go from low gears when I'm waiting for traffic lights so I can get moving faster, switching to higher gears when I'm in motion and got some speed, and I really noticed I'm doing that a lot. On the steering handle, you'll also find a little bell and the LCD display. The LCD has been pretty bright and easy to see at night, but it also worked well under bright sunlight, so it's a pretty decent LCD display. It can display your current speed, battery percentage, how much you've already driven in the current trip, how much you've driven altogether, and it will indicate which of the 3 speed modes you're currently in. With the center button, you can turn the bike on or off. The top button will set it in higher speed, the bottom one in lower speed, and it's got 3 different speed modes. The first offers pedal assist up to 15 kilometers an hour, the second one up to 20 kilometers an hour, and the third speed mode offers pedal assist up to 25 kilometers an hour. Holding down the top button for 3 seconds will turn on the headlights. These are quite okay, they're quite bright, and I've been using them on all my night rides. You can see right here, they're pretty good. It also has a rear light or tail light, which is located below the saddle. This one you will have to manually switch on and off, but it's also a decently bright light. So how does it drive? Well, I've been using it for a few months now, so I've got a pretty good idea of how it rides, and it's been nice. I've actually been biking a lot instead of, well, just ordering a car. Thus far, I've driven over 250 or by now 300 kilometers, and I haven't gotten any problems with it this far. As a matter of fact, I actually enjoyed biking quite a lot now. As I am in downtown Shanghai, we don't have much hills here, so I really couldn't do an uphill test. The biggest hill I've used it on is this bridge that is on my way to the office, and I noticed when going uphill, the motor and the pedal assist push me slightly harder when I'm going up, so it's kind of giving you like a little push, which is quite nice. So basically, I've been really using it as a city bike, and even downtown, as you can see on some of these shots here, it's been really nice to use. ADO also collaborated with Insta360 to have this ADO branded action camera, and it's super small, Super lightweight, and it's pretty fun to capture your trips with. Comes with a steering wheel mount, so I've been using it both on the steering wheel as well as with this magnetic pendant that allows you to have it on your shirt, and the footage is stabilized well. I've been using it in a couple of shots in this video, gotten a fun little time-lapse or hyperlapse with it as well, and yeah, that was quite fun actually to capture some of the trips. So what are my thoughts on the DECE300 thus far? Well, first of all, it's been long overdue that I've been biking, and this bike made me basically use it for all kinds of little trips around town, so that's good. It's been performing well. I really love the pedal assist. It's great for when it's windy, when there's some slopes to go up. Going 25 kilometers an hour downtown might sometimes be a little bit tricky, but at night I noticed I've been going from A to B at a constant 25 kilometer an hour speed, and it's been even faster than going by car on some trips, so it's been really nice to use. The build quality of the bike has been really nice. It feels well made. It looks nice. The wires have been protected and tied down quite nicely, and overall the bike just looks good. And the bike feels robust. The 4x paint layer adds a really nice finish, makes the bike feel premium. The gears are smooth, easy to control. I've been using those all the time. The brakes are very strong, which is good. The shock absorption has been very good as well, although, again, I've just been using it downtown, so it's not that I've been going off-road. So I didn't really test it on like a mountain area. I did notice that even on a more rocky road downtown, the shock absorption does make the ride smoother. Also, when I'm braking, I can really feel them work. And overall, it really adds to a much better riding experience, even for rides downtown. The lights are strong. They seem to do their job fine as well, which is great as I particularly enjoyed my night rides. So overall, I've been really enjoying this DECE300. And well, this was my first e-bike and thus also my first bike review, but I really had a lot of fun making this and actually biking around town. It's been fun. As I had a pre-production model, mine did not include a mudguard, as you can see in my video, but ADO mentioned that the models that are being shipped right now actually will include mudguards, which I feel is a must-have. Also, they have some other accessories coming up, like a mountable rack, which I'm surely getting as well. I think that's almost a must-have for my daily commute use. But overall, it's been a really fun bike to ride around with. So that's it for the DECE300, a really fun to use electric bike from ADO, or a DC Oasis. What do you guys think of the DECE300? Is this something you might want to go and pick up or not? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below this video. Don't forget to leave a little like to show me that you've liked it and to appreciate that I am finally back after some really crazy hectic months. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for any future videos that might be coming up right here. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see y'all soon. Peace.